Okay, now, so this is my CB1 and CB2. This is where I have the zip part. So I'll take it out. CB1, CB2. So this is the panel lines. This is where we're going to be pinning. Don't forget, this is where our seam allowance is. So I'll bring it out and then I will pin. See the way I'm going to pin it. To pick one of CB1, one of CB2, put them together and pin. See the way it's facing. So this part of the fabric is going to serve as the wrong part. So I'll pin it. CB1, CB2. Now this is the good side. See the way I pinned it facing up. Now I'm going to open it up. Now this is also the good side for the other side of the skirt. That means I will now flip it to the back to pin. So you face them both ways in a way that by the time I'm done sewing, I'll both have the good side facing each other. So now I'm going to sew it. Let me place it back again so you see. This is the other part of the CB1 and CB2. So you have to pin one CB1 and one CB2 together. I have this, and then I have this. Now, this is my CB1, this is my CB2. I pinned one facing here and pinned one facing the down part. So now we'll be sewing, joining all the 0.5, all the pin parts together. So I'm using black, so we'll be able to see what we're doing. So I'll just sew by 0.5. So you sew by 0.5. And then I'll turn the other one, repeat same. Added for seam allowance. Now I've joined my panel lines together. Alright, now I'm done sewing, joining the panel. This is my CB. So now if you see, it has come back to our basic skirt. The only difference is that you now have lines in it. Now let me show you the center front. This is center front after sewing it. This is the made. Remember the part that is on fold. This is the made part, and this is at the side. So this is it. So it's the same thing as your basic skirt. The only difference is the panel line. So the reason for panel skirt is so that you'll be able to you can play with different fabrics. Now imagine if I had cut this with a different fabric, like with an Ankara or something, and then this is a plain fabric. So this is like a mini version, like a guide to your girl skirt. So if you're able to understand this, it will be easier when you're learning your girl skirt. So this is the center front. We've already joined it, and now this is the center back. This is the center back of it. Now we've joined. Remember how we pinned it facing each other? I have one facing up and the other one facing back. So we've joined. All you need to do now is open press. So you take this to the pressing board and open press. So by the time you open press all the lines together, you now have the complete. Now we have our front and this is our back. So remember, if you cut your basic skirt, you have your center front and your center back. So this is the two pieces for the center back. All we need to do now is place them in together, measure your 7 inches down, because this is where my zip will be. Remember, always note where your zipper part will be. So 7 inches down by the 2 inches, and then I will close it up to make up my normal back. So now you can just continue your basic sewing of your skirt, because the whole idea is to show you how to join your panel lines and then fix your zipper and your band.